Hi, I'm Skip Farinhas, the owner of GMC Air Conditioning Services, and I'm proud to announce a new feature that we're going to be offering our customers called Skip's Tips. The idea of Skip's Tips is to bring you very helpful information so that you don't have to call us for a service call. When you need us, we will definitely be here for you, but there are a lot of things about air conditioning that people don't understand, and we feel like we can bring you great value by helping you on little items that may pop up with your air conditioning system, answering questions, and making sure that your air conditioner is performing at its peak. We also will talk about things like indoor air quality, how you can protect yourself from bacteria and viruses, and we'll also add a humorous touch every now and then, because there are some things with air conditioning that turn out quite funny. So we're hoping to have fun with this and hoping to be able to inform our customers. We look forward to you participating in Skip's Tips, and have a great day.